We'll be using the remote operation tool to interact with the control panel. First thing we'll need to do is go to settings registration and log in with their system manager ID and PIN. Once we've logged in, let's go back to the main menu and we'll click on the button at the top right here to edit the main menu button display settings. And here we can make changes to our main menu. Over here, we can change the number of buttons on the main menu screen. And to change which buttons appear, we'll go and select the button that is not on the screen that we want to be on the screen. Once it's selected, we'll go down here to the up button and press up until we have it where we want it. And we'll get scan and send back in. We'll just select that and go up. We can also select it and use the down button. And you can also insert a blank if you only want 2 options or if you want to skip some options. And once we have the options we want listed here for 1, 2, and 3, we'll hit OK. And now we can see we have those options on the main menu.